Assalamu alaikum. Once again, welcome back to your own channel AR Trainings Official. So today we are going to learn how to create a realistic 3D model of chocolate in Blender. I will try my best to keep it as simple and easy so that it will be easier for you to understand the concept. So what you have to do to simply watch the video and try to follow my steps. Time is money. Let's get started. At first I'm just going to create a simple cube. Okay, so simply type shift A and add a cube like this. You can tweak it with the help of scale command in X, Y and Z direction like this. S and Z for the scale in Z direction. Now go to the edit mode and select the face of the top face of the mesh. So go to the edit mode and top face. Now you can simply select the top face, and now you can use insert for eye. Simply type I for insertion and give it a distance a little bit like this. Now use E for extrude and extrude it to a little bit height like this. Now you can use again scale command for scale it like this. So we have the simple I think it's chocolate, some part of chocolate you can say. Okay, so simply again go to the object mode. Now we are using modifier, that is array modifier. So go to the modifier tab and add an array modifier like this. You can increase the count according to your requirement. I'm just going to give it I think 5 will be okay, right? Now simply click on this arrow and apply. Again go to modifier and array modifier again. Now you can give the y axis a value of 1 and x with the 0. Okay, so it will align in the x and y direction. You can increase the count according to your requirements. I'm just going it with 3. I think it will be good. Okay, like this. It is simple and easy. It's not quite difficult as other mesh object. Okay, like this. So you can even use bevel command to give it a bevel a little bit. I think 0.02 will be okay. Okay, so click on the arrow and apply like this. Simply repeat the process again for some part of the chocolate. If I want to model a small cube of the chocolate, so you can again repeat the process. Simply shift A and again you can even use a plane for a floor. Okay, so basically this is the floor. It will help you when you are rendering this mesh object. Okay, like this. Same is the case with the left and right. You can add a plane so that when you render it, it will look black. So repeat the process again for a small part of a chocolate. So again scale it, then insert and extrude and then scale it. So these are the 3 steps. I think it is simple and easy to model. Now you can go to the material properties, add a new slot, new material. Okay, and go to the base color, click on this yellow icon and add an image texture. I have just downloaded the chocolate texture, so that simply go to the file and open it like this. Okay, again for this small cube, new slot, new material, base color and then image texture. Simple, and open the image texture like this. Now go to the render view so that it will look real. What is okay, you can change the color of the plane to black, white to black, so that it will help you in rendering. Okay, I think it's okay. Go to the render view like this. Perfect. I think again it will look more real if you convert your render from EV to cycles. Okay, so I think I have EV selected. I think you can use cycle render if you have a high budget PC. Okay, Now you can also add some lights to the scene. I'm just using point light. You can even use plain light or anything, okay, like this. Increase the power if you want to. By the way, there are many other methods to tweak this mesh, but I think this is the simplest and easy way to model this small chocolate. I think you can try other methods also, but I think this is the simplest easy for you as a beginner, right? Adjust the camera to the right angle, okay. You can move it like this and adjust in X, Y and Z direction so that we have a clear spot of the mesh object. You can increase the focal length like this, adjust in X direction and then the Y. So I hope this video is going to be a very informative and helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Keep watching, keep supporting. More interesting and informative tutorials are uploading very soon. So stay tuned. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. Thanks a bunch.